Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude 3550. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Latitude 3550 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may occur due to a faulty power supply, a malfunctioning battery, or internal hardware problems. If left unattended, it could lead to further complications, making a simple repair more costly and time-consuming. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage to the components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully insert the plastic spudger into the gap between the back panel and the laptop body. Gently lift the panel to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery. It's often situated in the corner and is usually easy to identify. Disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it away from the connector. Then, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Lift the battery out carefully, ensuring you don't disturb any other components nearby. If you find that the battery is swollen or damaged, it's crucial to replace it with a new one. When installing the new battery, align it correctly and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the battery cable to its connector, ensuring it fits snugly. Now, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back panel and press down gently until you hear it click into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this may damage the casing. Finally, plug in your laptop and press the power button to check if it turns on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly maintain your laptop by keeping it clean and updating your software. Avoid overcharging your battery and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against power surges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.